Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing 3 lost kitties. We start unpackaging. I wonder what we'll get. And let's start opening. First we're gonna open one of the what? The lost kitty, series 1. We start opening. I wonder what we'll get. Let's look at this. Let's see who we can get. Nah, it's silly poster. So guys, my camera stopped recording, and this is who we got. Look right here. This is what we got. It's going on the series 3. I never got this. It's weird. Get that trash out the way. Now let's be opening these. Kitties is looking at dirty plate. Ew. From right here in this. Aren't they supposed to have a base? Yeah, they're supposed to have. Like, I don't know where it is, but like they usually have base. I don't know where they went. He has a backpack. Let me see if it fits on him. Where he can go on him. I don't think so. But he can go on his tail, like, yeah. You're gonna put this right here and put him right there, like he's sleeping in it. No, I'm just gonna put it like, feel like he's going to school. He's looking at dirty plate. And like he's a cafeteria lady. Those are stickers.
Are we gonna move on to the next motherfucking thing?
That's weird.
Is it?
Cool. What kind of kitty is this supposed to be? A kitty that broke one of his eyes? Look at that. It looks like a broken eye.
You twist it like this to get the stuff to come out. Twist it in.
This way? I can do it. I can do it. Whoa, it's like cream. Whoa, it's whipped cream. Oh, it's like whipped cream. I need to get out of it. I need to get all of it. Let's get that off. Still more. I want to get off. Now let's see what's in here.
That's it.
2 bags now. What is my 2 bags? Oh, right here. Right here. Right here. Look at this little mouse toy. Do I think the little baby kitty? That's weird. How do I put all this Play-Doh? Now what I wonder I got in this little bag. Oh yeah, that's the expired again. And here. And here. Look, his little baby. So this is what we got today. We got 3 opened. So we got this one is really cool. This one. Thanks for watching. Please come back for more videos. Bye.